Health is similar to money. We don't really appreciate something's true worth until we lose it. We only use the phrase, when there are significant difficulties with our health, oh, I now have to look after my health. In order to avoid suffering from diseases, it is necessary to practice good health before being unwell. If you only put in that much time and effort each day that you spend on your phone, you have no idea how much better your life can be if you put a lot of time and effort into improving your health. So, in this week's video, I'll share with you 5 straightforward advices that you may use to are a lot more successful. Consequently, let's begin. 1. Clever suggestion: lay on your left side. This image makes it abundantly clear why. Always try to sleep on your left side. If we sleep on our right side, our stomach's natural shape dictates that the stomach acids can harm our health in a variety of ways, such as poor digestion, blood flow issues, and heartburn. On the other hand, the stomach acids can function properly if we sleep on our left side. Digestion works much better as a result of the increased efficiency. Idea 2. Reminding people to drink water. The majority of us completely forget in our busy lives to occasionally sip water. Or we simply take a small amount of water when we feel thirsty. This is detrimental to our health in every way. Remind Me to Drink Water is a mobile application. The URL is provided in the description. This app can help you with your issue. You can effortlessly monitor when and how much water you consume each day by using this app. Or we just drink a little water when we get thirsty. Our health will suffer as a result in every way. A mobile application called Remind Me to Drink Water exists. The description includes the URL. You can solve your problem using this app. Using this app, you can easily keep track of when and how much water you drink each day. Additionally, this app will remind you to drink water on a regular basis. On a portable gadget. When I was younger, my mother used to do it, but nowadays an app does it. The band need not be purchased in order to walk. If anything is required, awareness is it. Find any justification to go for a walk. Use stairs rather than a lift, or simply move around your home by walking a little. Has more. 4. Clever suggestion: chew your food 32 times. Ayurveda asserts that the foundation of our stomach is a disease. We can easily maintain our health if we can keep our stomachs in good shape. The top 2 requirements for a healthy stomach are: 1. Avoiding processed food. 2. Possess a strong digestive system. It will be very beneficial in both situations if you can eat your food after chewing it 32 times. Any junk food will be noticeable if you chew it 32 times before swallowing it. Will no longer feel as tasty. On the other hand, any healthy food will taste better if you chew it 32 times. Eat. Therefore, if you can develop the habit of chewing your food 32 times, you will naturally lose weight. I no longer enjoy eating junk food at all. Additionally, food is supposed to be consumed and 50% of the digestion process is supposed to take place during this time. The stomach contains the remaining 50%. When we swallow food quickly, the mouth's portion is left unfinished, which causes problems. We all have different digestive issues. Thus, if we can develop the habit of chewing our food 32 times, we should have no trouble overcoming this. Numerous of these issues. Create a healthy environment. Smart idea number 5. If all of your close friends behave in this way, they consume junk food all day long, find exercise boring, and think being lazy is cool. They used to smoke 10 to 12 cigarettes per day, and they frequently celebrated with alcohol. If they all partake in alcohol-related activities, you can consider it to be part of their lifestyle. To adapt the same lifestyle in order to keep up with them. On the other hand, if your close friends are active and health conscious, Avoiding junk food as much as you can will make you more likely to adopt a similar lifestyle. Favor them. In order to choose your closest 5 friends with whom you spend the most time, try, if at all possible, most of the time in a day, those who care about their health, who both understand and practice the adage, health is the real wealth. Additionally, if your freezer is constantly filled with unhealthy foods like Cadbury then stop by the cold drinks. Because trying to live a healthy lifestyle is pointless if your own home is filled with junk food. Because you will find it to be too difficult. So make an effort to surround yourself with a healthy environment that will inspire you to lead always a fit way of life. Let's quickly review the entire video at the conclusion. For simple health maintenance, 1. Sleep on your left side at all times. Drink the recommended amount of water each